Good day, beloveds, and welcome. I want to take a time to share this heartfelt thank you for all the subscribers. We have reached our 1,000 subscriber milestone, and to talk about the gift of helping and sharing. As you have helped me to reach this milestone, and in this month of March, which is Social Work Month, and as social workers, we enjoy to share at the gist of us. I wanted to share something with you that I thought that would be of benefit to you or someone you love. And if you're new here, I am Danny. I am a social worker and an aromatherapist, and I enjoy sharing information to help our overall quality of life and well-being. So I came across this video where it was talking about a 2-ingredient remedy for coughing, right? And I thought it was so intriguing that it was only 2 ingredients. And here in the US, we are in cold and flu season, and you may even hear me sound a little nasal. And I have my rosemary essential oil going. But I wanted to share this recipe with you, and maybe you've heard about it, okay? And in the spirit of gifting to help and share in this month of March, as it is Social Work Month here in the US, I wanted to share this with you. So the 2-ingredient remedy that I came across, this wonderful fellow YouTuber, her first name is Heidi, I think her last name is Villegas. And her whole mission is to make sure that there is an herbalist in every home. How admirable is that? You know, she enjoys sharing natural remedies. And as a aromatherapist, I'm into natural modalities by all means. Certainly take this information for what it's worth. I'm not a doctor, but if it can be of benefit to you, wonderful. I'm not telling you to stop, anything that you're doing, but I wanted to share this natural remedy with you. So the 2-ingredient remedy that Heidi shared was for coughing. And it was simply 1 red onion chopped up and honey. I got this from one of our local wholesalers. Okay, this big jar of honey. That's it. Those 2 ingredients. And what I did is, according to the instructions, I filled up halfway this jar with onions and then filled the rest all the way almost to the lid with honey. And I believe the instructions say to sit for 4 hours. I'll leave a link to the video in the comments, in the description rather. And that's it. You take a teaspoon of it. It didn't mention anything about the onions that I recall, or eating the onions, but hey, what could it hurt? But you just take a teaspoon of it, and helps with coughing. I haven't tried it personally, but I have shared this information with others. For example, in my family, I thought it would be a benefit because they were having that issue. And let me tell you, I gave it to one family member. They sort of set it on the counter for about 2 weeks, right? And then they called me in the middle of the day and said, "Oh my goodness, this stuff works. I feel so much better." I was like, wow, that's wonderful. Okay. And we're talking about a family member who's a little bit skeptical about natural remedies or trying new stuff. So I thought that was absolutely wonderful. I'm like, okay, here's a testimony. Let me share it with someone else. Shared it with a wonderful dear friend of mine, and she gave it to her daughter. And she said that she noticed that her daughter coughed less in the middle of the night. How wonderful is that? She also shared it with one of her other children's friend, who said they felt like it helped to soothe them, whatever they had going on. And I was like, okay, that's 3 people who have mentioned or commented about how, these 2-ingredient remedy has made them feel or help. So why not share it with you? You may be already familiar with it. If you are, certainly leave it in the comments. There are noted health benefits for honey. You certainly look that up, but I wanted to share that with you. Again, going back to I mentioned, this is Social Work Month, and at the Gist of Us, we do share information. And if it could be a benefit to you or someone you love, absolutely wonderful. Okay. And again, the gift of helping and sharing. And that's what I try to do on this channel. And again, I thank you for all my subscribers and the milestone we've reached together. I certainly appreciate it. I do not take it for granted. And speaking of the gift of helping and sharing, I received some gifts to help me. I thought it was absolutely wonderful, and I wanted to give a shout out to whomever sent this to me. I had one gift with the shape of a heart. How precious, right? And it's actually, from what I can tell, it's a shungite heart. And I have done a video about shungite, and I'll leave that in the description, and the benefits of shungite. So I am truly thankful for that. And the book that I referenced in the video is this one, Shungite Protection, Healing, and Detoxification by Regina Martino. And I've had this book for a while. I don't know if the person who sent this to me, and if it's you, thank you so much. I truly love it. But I'm familiar with the benefits of shungite, so I am truly appreciative of this gift. So thank you, beloved, whomever you are. And I received another wonderful gift in the mail, and it's this beautiful journal. Right? You can put, once you fill this up, you can put it, another journal inside. So it's actually like a journal holder, a purple, and I absolutely love it. That's another gift of helping and sharing. Somebody thought enough to send me something that could be perhaps a benefit to me, to write down goals and aspirations, or use it however I see that could be a benefit to me. So I am truly thankful for that gift of helping and sharing. And last but not least, I received this wonderful book in the mail. I love to read. And it's called Create Something Awesome by Roberto Blake. And he's a fellow YouTuber. And this might benefit some of you who are a YouTuber. I'm actually halfway through it, and I just received it in the mail this week. And I absolutely love it. So thank you, whomever you are who sent this to me. I haven't quite figured out. I got an idea, I think, but I'm not 100% sure. But if it's you, I truly, truly appreciate it. Again, I'm halfway through it. And this, information is in this book, hopefully will be a benefit, not just for me, but for me delivering useful information to you. So this, I'm truly grateful. So stay tuned to the next series of videos. And I sort of gave a little hint what that might be. I'm sharing this remedy with you and sharing essential oils that help aid us in our health. Okay. And again, I thank you for watching. Hopefully the information I provide to you is beneficial, and I am truly appreciative of you. And thank you again for my 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for helping me to reach that goal and that milestone. And until next time, it is a pleasure to serve you, and God bless you. I love you. And as I say, let us continue to learn, grow, and share together naturally. God bless you. I love you. Bye-bye now. Thank you, beloveds, for watching. If you've subscribed to my channel or liked this video or shared it with anyone you think may be interested, I am truly thankful for you. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Again, I thank you. God bless you, and I love you.